Alright guys, this is Good Noel, and in this video I want to show you how you can use Jiji to list your product on the internet for free. If you do not know Jiji is a classified ad marketplace. It's a classified ad site, which means you can list your products or your services for free. And Jiji is equally one of the most visited websites in Nigeria. So for you to start posting on Jiji, you need to create an account, and I'm going to put a link in the description of this video. So that link is going to take you to the direct page, the direct link where you have to download the Jiji app. Alright, so the moment you download it, you open it, it's going to ask you to register. So you just put your email, your phone number, and your password. You'll be registered, and then you can come to an interface like this. What we want to do is that we want to create an advert, a listing for free. Alright, so I'm going to draw so that this video will be easy for you. So if you come down here, right here we have some of the things you are going to get. We have the images, the messages. So when people send you messages, when people see your adverts, they send messages. That's where you are going to get it, right here. Alright, so this is your favorites. Let's say you were searching for something and then you like it, you want to save it for the future. It's going to come out there. Alright, but now we want to sell something. We want to sell, we don't want to buy anything. So we just come here where it says sell. Alright, and then you click to open. So let me just, I was creating this before now, so I'm just going to cancel it so we start afresh. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is you need to pick a category. Alright, you need to pick a category, and these are the different categories that they have on Jiji. So one of the things you sell, it has to fall somewhere here, and they have subcategories too. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to choose electronics, and under electronics I'm going to choose headphones. Alright, so the moment you choose your categories, you are going to your category and your subcategory, you are going to come to a page like this, and here you just click on this red green button. You can upload the pictures, so you can upload up to 10 pictures, and I just downloaded these two here so I can just use it for the purpose of this video. So I select this and this, and I click pick two. Alright, so as you can see, these pictures they've uploaded, and you can only upload photos here, you cannot upload videos. So if you sell anything, maybe you sell clothes, you sell shoes, you just have to take very fine pictures of your product, and then you come here, you upload it. So we come here where it says title. This is going to be the name of our product. So I'm just going to call this best quality earpods, or earpods. Alright, best quality earpod. So you select the region where you are. So if you are in Lagos, you are in Abuja, you are in Oyo, any part of the country, you can just select. Alright, I'm in Lagos, so I'm just going to pick Lagos, and I want this thing to be around Ikeja. So the good thing with Jiji is that you can find things around your area. So people can list things around your area and you can easily find it. Or you want to list your own products for people who are around your area, you can equally find it. Of course, you can list anywhere you want, but it has to be area by area. So we selected Ikeja. I want to select the brand. So you select the name of the product. This one I just downloaded it. I don't think it has any name. So I'm just going to come down here to the tail end, and then I can just select order. I think I should be able to find it here by just typing order here. So I type order, which means it doesn't have any brand that was named there. So if you are selling your own product, it doesn't have a brand name, you just select order. Also model number, you can write anything you want. All right, so I'm just going to write that. So you select type if it is in ear, on ear, and stuff like that. This one is in ear because it fits inside the ear. So you select form factor. I'm just going to say in ear only. These questions are going to come according to whatever product you want to sell. All right, so if you are selling a car, they will be asking you what's the car engine capacity, was the make, is it stuff like that. So these are basic information that you should have about your product. So select connectivity. This is it's wireless because it's Bluetooth. You see, picks Bluetooth by itself. Resistance, all these ones you can basically ignore these things, but the more information you provide, the better. So I'm going to select black. All right, the condition is new. So here you can actually list both new and old products, or used products, or refurbished product. But this one is brand new, so we select brand new. So you come here, you write your description. Always try to be explicit, be detailed about your description, because Jiji ranks on search engines. If people go to Google and they type best iPhone, best AirPod, or best iPhones, or best anything, Jiji is going to rank for it, and the way they rank is due to what you've written here. So it's a simple way of doing SEO and giving your products even more awareness. So I'm just going to write the best AirPod available, blah blah blah. So I'm just going to stop here. Okay, it says it should be at least 20. You see, they encourage you to write. Okay, the best AirPod for wireless connectivity. I think that works. All right, so here you put price. I'm just going to name this 15,000 naira. If you want it to be negotiable, if you want people to see that this is not your final price and that they can negotiate, you just check this box here. But if you don't want them to negotiate, you can uncheck. Regardless, people are still going to negotiate, so I don't think that's even very necessary. So you already have your name that you registered with, so it's going to appear here, and then your phone number. So basically, if you come down here, you see where it says standard. Standard is free. That means you can launch this ad for free, and this ad can start running for I think 7 days. You have to renew it every 7 days. All right, so that's the one we are going to pick for now. But if you want to run ads on the Jiji platform, I'm going to make a separate video for that, so it's going to be the next video, so you should watch out for that. So we just want to use the free one, and it's selected to standard already, so you click post advert. So your advert, as you can see, it says your advert has been posted, and here it says that it's under review. So after review, people can now start seeing your advert. All right, they can now start seeing your product, and they can like it and send you a message. After when they've approved this advert, they can see the option to send you a message and all of that. So this is basically how you use Jiji to sell your product. If you want to buy a product, you can just come here and say select your region. If you want it to be the whole of Nigeria, you can say I'm looking for what's it called? Let's say we are looking for a television. All right, so you can just say we are looking for a television, and then you can see we have television from different parts of the world. This is actually showing me Lagos because it knows that it knows that I'm in Lagos, so it's showing me the ones that are closest to me. After that, it's going to start showing me the ones that are slightly far away and away like that. All right, so these ones, they are basically in Lagos, but if I keep scrolling, I'm going to see the ones that are outside Lagos, because I've selected that it can be any region. Okay, let me just show you an easier way to do that. Let's say I'm looking for a smartphone. All right, so let me just say I'm a Xiaomi guy, so I'm just going to select Xiaomi, and as you can see, these ones are all in Nigeria. They're all in Nigeria. I can just select my region and say I want the ads, only the ones in Abuja, Central Abuja, Kuba, Wuse, Abaji, Apo district, and the rest. Let's say we want to see ads from the whole of Abuja. As you can see, all these ads are now coming from Abuja, even though I'm in Lagos, so I can still see any of these things. All right, so if I equally want to post ad to places outside my location, I can equally do that. Come here where it says let me just do that. So let's say we want to, let's continue with our electronics. All right, and I'm just going to select the pictures again. All right, and as you can see, I've already uploaded this video in another those photos in another advert, so I cannot use the same photo. So I can just come here and select region. I mustn't be in that region to post in the region. So let me go and select Abuja again. I can select Abuja business district, and that's how it's going to appear. So this is how you use Jiji to either buy and sell. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching, and like this video if this video helped you, and then subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like contents like this. And yes, my name is Good Noel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.